is how to make the best paper glider in the world. First, what you'll need is a sheet of copy paper. And first, what you want to do is fold it in half, hot dog style. Like this. Now, like most paper airplanes start out, you're gonna fold the top edge to the crease. Like this. It doesn't have to be even. Now you want to take the tip and fold it down. Like so. And then you want to take these tips here and you want to fold them to the crease. Now you're not lining up this part, but you're folding this part to the crease. Just like this. Now you want to do that to the other side. And now you want to take that triangle and fold it up. And once you have that, you want to fold it in half, just like this. Now, you want to take it and you want to fold it down like so to the wings. Like this. You want to fold it down on the other side, just like that. And there is your paper glider. It's pretty cool. Glides pretty far. And that is it. And bye.